Hello and welcome to Alan Sanchar. This is Rupanjita and you are watching Alan Bi-Weekly Report. This is a special report with Alan Korea Institute's latest news stories. Alan students bring another global victory to the nation, a crowning accomplishment by Alan students in 15th International Junior Science Olympiad, IJSO 2018, held in Botswana, Southern Africa. Alan students won 4 gold medals and 1 silver medal in IJSO 2018. While Alanites Amya Deshmukh, Vaibhav Raj, Mohit Gupta and Namanes Rana bagged gold, Barun Parwa bagged a silver medal in the Olympiad. The victors received a warm welcome on their arrival in Kota. Adding to the pan-India presence, Alan has expanded in southern Indian states with study centers in Chennai, Kochi, Pune and Bhubaneswar. Alan's senior management and faculty members flew to all the 4 cities and inaugurated the new campuses. Alan Korea Institute successfully conducted its Alan Sharp exam for students across India on 16th of December. The expert faculties of Alan Korea Institute interacted with the students and parents at the exam centers, guided and gave them deeper insights about Alan's academic methodology. Alan Sharp is Alan Korea Institute's scholarship test and reward program for students currently studying in class 7th to 11th science. Based on Alan Sharp results, selective students will be offered up to 90% scholarship for Alan classroom courses in academic session 2019-20. This month, the Success Power session of Alan's Talent Encouragement Exam Talentex 2019 was organized in Kota. Top rankers from all across the country along with their parents attended the event. Suleiman, the fluest winner of India's Got Talent Season 7, Papai and Antara, renowned dance performers, gave mesmerizing performances during the event. The guest of honor for the event was none other than the world amateur boxing champion MC Mary Kom herself. Here are the highlights.
So most important thing is कि आपका अगर पैशन है, फोकस्ड अप्रोच है और आपके अपने तरीके हैं, आप अपना पाथ खुद बना सकते हैं, तो आपको लाइफ में कोई रोक नहीं सकता.
आप 5th क्लास में हो सकते हैं, 6th में हो सकते हैं, 7th में, 8th में, 9th में, राइट. लेकिन आपको ये देखना है कि ये सक्सेस नॉट ओनली अप टू 12th क्लास, नॉट ओनली अप टू योर कॉलेजेस, not only to your job and profession, but throughout your life, right? It should remain with you as a journey.
How to be always positive in life. but एक word use होता है जब हम किसी भी बड़ी कंपनीज में किसी भी बड़ी जगह जाते हैं तो लोग IQ के साथ साथ एक वर्ड यूज करते हैं, that is we call as EQ, और एक वर्ड हो रहा है आजकल SQ, emotional quotient, and we call as a social quotient. IQ तो आप सबका जबरदस्त है, आपका इंटेलिजेंस बहुत अच्छा है, तभी आप लोग यहाँ पर हैं, तभी आप हर एग्जाम को क्रैक कर रहे हैं, तभी आप अपने अपने फील्ड में टॉपर सेंस लिए, अच्छी अच्छी रैंक्स हासिल कर रहे हैं. मगर IQ के साथ साथ अगर हमको हाइट्स को मेंटेन करना है, अचीव करना आसान है. इंग्लिश में कहावत है, इट इज इजी टू बिकम अ मिलीनियर बट इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू रिमेन अ मिलीनियर.
इस वाइब्रेंट वातावरण में यहाँ पे SPS के ज़बरदस्त आयोजन में पंकज बिरला सर, तुषार सर और आशीष अरोड़ा सर को सुनने के बाद मुझे लग रहा है कि ये दोहा कुछ इस तरीके से हो सकता है. पोथी पढ़ी पढ़ी जग मुआ, पंडित हुआ न कोय, जो करे SPS अटेंड वो अचीवर होए.
दिल को सुकून चाहिए, पूरी एक आरज़ू चाहिए, जैसे पहले कभी कुछ भी चाहा नहीं, वैसे ही क्यों चाहिए।
महेश्वरी सर से कि एमसी मेरी कॉम को 7वां गोल्ड मेडल से सम्मानित करें। Here comes the gold medal. Only gold for the golden girl of India, MC Mary Kom. सबसे बड़ी गलती माता पिता क्या करते हैं?
बच्चों को दूसरों के साथ कंपेयर करते हैं, बच्चों से ओवर एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, बच्चों से वो करवाना चाहते हैं जो हम अपनी जिंदगी में नहीं कर पाए, और फिर बच्चा मन से कुछ और करना चाहता है लेकिन उसकी बुद्धि में कुछ और भर दिया जाता है। फिर बुद्धि और मन का जब तालमेल नहीं बनता तो बच्चा अनसक्सेसफुल हो जाता है।
Alan Gurria Institute also conducted an interactive session at Alan Samyak Kunhadi campus on 9th December 2018, where the legendary and inspirational women boxing champion MC Mary Kom shared her struggles and experiences with the girl students and female employees of Alan Gurria Institute. During the event, the Additional District Collector Administration of Kota, Ms. Sunita Dagao, welcomed Mary Kom with bouquet and shawl. This was followed by various performances by Alan students. 4 Samasya Se Samadhan sessions were organized for Alanites in Kota, where Alan experts interacted with the students and provided them with solutions for various subjects and preparation-related queries. Expert academicians from Lovely Professional University and Manav Rachna University visited Alan Gurria Institute's Kota campus for 2 exclusive seminars with the Alanites. Academicians from each university interacted with the students and told them about various career and higher education options they can choose from. In association with Geeta Parivar and JCI Kota, an exclusive session, Sparsh, Ek Samvad with Dr. Sanjay Malpani was organized at Alan campus for Alan students and their parents. Dr. Malpani shared various parenting theories and guidelines with parents to make them understand the mindsets of their children. Alan Bangalore Centre's victory celebration was conducted on 16th of December. Ashish Arora sir conducted a life-changing and significant workshop for student fraternity titled Strategy 360, which enhances students' performance with life learning and rewarding skills. In the same vein, he interacted with the chosen toppers on their secrets of success in international and national exams. Victors from IIT JEE, NEET UG, AIMS, KCET, KVPY, NTSE and International Biology Olympiads were felicitated during the event. Visually challenged dancers and Alan Bangalore students performed colorful programs during the event. So these were the latest stories of Alan Career Institute. You are watching Alan Bi-Weekly Report. Have a good day.